Good morning. Today is Friday, May 3rd, 2024. I'm here at Jolington Creek Marina, and I'm here at See You Later. I'm not quite done with the hull clean, but I did want to make a little note here for your water line. So this is your water line after I've cleaned it. It's all clean. This is what your water line was when I got here. Now, at the end of this month, we have a few boating holidays, Memorial Day, Boat or Skip Day. If you don't come out to see your boat before then, it's probably going to look more like this as opposed to this. Which, that's okay. The boat has been cleaned. But if you want us to come out a little sooner before all of those holidays, definitely get with Dane to where your water line will look like this prior to looking like this when you're out on your boat. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean the rest of it and get a video for you afterwards.